We are in Hawaii, y'all. Say hi, guys. There's our family.
1, 2, 3, family.
I'm ready for the trip.
We're at the airport.
Yeah, I'm not having fun.
Not having fun. It is
First flight, y'all.
It's totally quiet
They're
here.
doing check-in. Okay, David. Okay.
Did he give? Oh wait, what's the front camera?
Zoe, say hello.
No, say
David?
Daddy.
no.
Vincent, say hello.
Everything should have printed up.
Hi.
Oh, here we go.
I forgot your name.
Just call me CJ.
CJ, say hello.
Hello.
Hi, say hello.
Hello.
Jeanette, say hello. Jaden, say hello. Say hello.
Is this
Hello.
the ticket?
There's your. It'll be alright.
Literally, how?
You should feel
Shut the fuck up.
stupid.
You should feel underweight with your hyper.
Let's tell the camera what happened. Zoe left her dress for the
I
wedding.
want to hear your shit. I left my fucking dress at home.
She gonna wear this to the wedding. Show them her outfit.
How do you feel?
Hold on,
How do you feel?
That's the whole thing. Get the Crocs. You gotta get the Crocs. Gotta get the Crocs. Okay.
The croc fit.
Croc fit.
Wait, let's talk about how we just got I don't know how, a cheat code through security and we got out hella quick.
Saint Laurent.
Daddy's still alive.
They said.
Saint Laurent.
They said you fought. Looks like you got somewhere to be. You got somewhere to
Oh, wait,
go.
let's find the place.
Burberry, Hermes.
You can't afford none of this shit.
Sorry, get your dress, bitch.
You need a Kmart shop.
Think so?
Alright, we are looking for the guy.
Find it, y'all.
Oh yeah.
See, look at God.
look what God
Look
did.
at God.
Won't he do it? We got little bro in it. We got Sissy Pooh.
Look.
I'm like, hey, you want to get close?
I'm doing this.
Yo. That's what they do, man.
Hype again, cuz.
Hypey gang, cuz. We're about to be on our plane, bitch.
Next on the plane back.
About to be on the plane slide. Oh my god. I'm drunk as hell. I'm drunk as hell. I'm drunk as hell on that plane, bro.
Oh
I'm
my.
drunk as hell.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my.
We got little sis right here. We got big sis right here. This is our first ever plane trip. This is the actual plane. This is the airplane right here.
We boarded the plane, guys. Alright, we got our meals. It's a bagel roll with ham and cheese. May said it's very good. May's got a Sprite and I got a water. And also got a little quick. Zoe's knocked out. David, look. Look how beautiful that water looks. Alright guys, we are landing. Oh my god. Look at how beautiful it looks. It's going down, landing. Girls are a little scared.
It's making my stomach feel uneasy.
David, you alright?
Now, folks will be landing shortly. Flight attendants, please be seated for landing.
David, you alright? Too jumpy.
Too jumpy.
We're pretty good. Going down's not too bad, but we're still not all the way down yet. Alright, oh, I forgot how to use my legs. We are off the plane.
Celsius now.
Yeah. Seltzers now.
Are in Hawaii, y'all.
It smells like
We have to
Hawaii.
get our luggage, and then we go get our rental
It
car.
smells like
David, how did you do on the plane?
I
Be
slept.
honest. how you did on takeoff.
On takeoff, it was really scary. And then I fell asleep so fast.
Zoe, how'd you do on the plane?
You fell asleep too, right?
Was
For
not
30
that
minutes,
bad.
you keep
But
asking me, I keep
when
telling
we
you.
landed, I felt like I was going to throw up in my back.
We just got laid.
For the first time. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Hey, Daddy.
Aloha.
This is very refreshing because it's hot as hell, y'all. Alright guys, we just got our rental little Rubicon action. It took absolutely fucking forever. If you know what's good for you, do not use budget. If you want to spend your vacation at budget, use budget. This is David babysitting his beer.
Do you guys mind being on their GoPro? They're like vlogging all this shit.
You get to sign a release. He's gonna quit. You gotta sign an NDA.
This graduation.
We're having dinner. Say hello. Alright, here goes the room. Alright. Here goes the front door.
I got mom a little sea turtle.
You sold it. Alright, we got a pantry. Oh no, this is laundry.
$7.99 for the
This is the kitchen. It is so nice. Okay, this is, it goes to the bathroom in the master.
Wait, that's where you go to the bathroom too?
Yeah. Yeah. This is dining,
Oh shit.
living
I
room,
can't believe we're gonna be here. We pretty
balcony,
much lived here for a week.
master bedroom. Oh, my man already found the master room, which is ours. And, oh, so just turn those off. We've got a tub, sink, and then this is like the hallway bathroom, but also the master's shower. Period. Super duper nice.
Ocean fact for the night, sharks
Oh
are
my
more active at
God.
nighttime.
Zoe.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I see a different one.
Wait. Look. You gotta go like this.
Wait, let's take a picture.
Here, let's do
That's the fucking wallpaper.
Wow.
I gotta put this one on Instagram story, but it's too beautiful.
I don't usually do this. Hours, I could do this for hours.
There's one right here too.
Engaged!
All right, bye, Dad. See you later.